how are y'all doing? Welcome to this video, guys. So let's talk about the supplement that people are absolutely raving about right now. What if I told you there's a supplement that can actually help you lose weight? I know, right? Weight loss is like the million-dollar question everyone is asking every day. How can I lose weight? What should I eat to lose weight? How do I lose weight quickly? Losing weight can sound impossible, but honestly, it's not that hard if you've got the right supplement. And here's the thing, it all comes down to helping your mitochondria work better. Don't know what that is? Stick around because today I'm giving you all of the details about Mitolyn, a dietary supplement packed with natural ingredients like acai berry and others that help you shed all those pounds. Oh, by the way, I have left their official website link in the description box below this video. So if you do want to learn more about Mitolyn, read customer reviews, or even buy it, everything is there. Its story, ingredients, and more. Now, let me tell you why Mitolyn is so awesome. So here's the deal. Your mitochondria are like your body's energy factories. They need to work at peak performance to fuel your body and burn calories. If your mitochondria aren't running properly, that's why no matter how much you exercise or diet, the weight just doesn't come off. Mitolyn has ingredients like acai berry, rhodiola, amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, theobroma cocoa, schisandra, and another one with a tricky name, astaxanthin. These ingredients are all natural with no GMOs, no side effects, and no contraindications. These 6 ingredients of Mitolyn boost your mitochondria's function, flipping a switch in your body to start burning calories. That is why people experience fast and effective weight loss with Mitolyn. But that's not all. Mitolyn doesn't just help with weight loss, it also supports joint health, promotes a healthy heart, stabilizes blood pressure, regulates cholesterol, and improves vision and cognitive functions. Plus, it's maintaining your skin's elasticity and detoxifies your liver. It's like a full body upgrade. To get these amazing benefits though, you need to take the treatment seriously. Take 1 capsule every day with a big glass of water for at least 3 to 6 months. If you stick with it, you'll be healthier, thinner, and showing off your gorgeous slim body in no time. And you'll be a lot happier too. So don't forget, there is a 90-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can just request a refund, no problem at all. So pop over to their official website, link in the description, to learn more. Give it a try, and if it's not for you, just get all your money back. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.